Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're focusing on a critical market entry requirement for medical device companies looking to expand into Latin America, specifically Mexico. For many manufacturers, especially those from Korea, navigating the regulatory landscape of Mexico presents a unique and mandatory challenge that can determine the success or failure of their market access strategy. The single most important requirement for any foreign medical device company entering Mexico is the appointment of a mandatory Mexico registration holder, or MRH. Unlike in some other regions, foreign manufacturers cannot directly register their medical devices with Mexico's regulatory authority, COFEPRIS. Instead, they must appoint a local, in-country entity to act on their behalf. This Mexico registration holder is responsible for the entire regulatory lifecycle of the product. They are the ones who officially submit the registration application, pay the associated government fees, and manage all ongoing compliance and communication with COFEPRIS. This structure is often a significant hurdle for Korean companies who may be more familiar with regulatory systems where direct submission is possible. The primary difficulty lies in identifying a trustworthy and competent local partner. Many companies make the mistake of appointing their commercial distributor as their MRH. While this may seem convenient, it can create significant long-term risks. A distributor's core expertise is in sales and logistics, not the complex and evolving world of regulatory affairs. This can lead to improper submissions, compliance gaps, and delays. More importantly, the registration is legally tied to the MRH. If the commercial relationship with the distributor ends, the manufacturer can lose control of their product registration, effectively locking them out of the market until they can secure a transfer, which can be a difficult and lengthy process. This is why partnering with a dedicated professional MRH is the recommended strategy. A professional holder acts as your independent regulatory representative, ensuring that your compliance is managed by experts whose primary focus is regulatory affairs. This model separates commercial activities from regulatory ownership, giving you, the manufacturer, full control over your product's legal status in Mexico. At Pure Global, we serve as your dedicated MRH. We provide an independent and professional service, utilizing AI-powered workflows to streamline dossier submissions and ensure accuracy. Our local experts in Mexico manage all interactions with COFEPRIS professionally. We offer clear, flat annual fees that eliminate the hidden costs and conflicts of interest often associated with using a distributor. This approach secures your market access and protects your assets throughout the entire product lifecycle. If your company needs assistance navigating global market access in Mexico or over 30 other countries, please visit us at Pure Global. For access to our free AI regulatory tools and our extensive device database, check the links in the description. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.